How do I create a list with numbers between two values? How do I create an ascending list between two values? For example, a list between 11 and 16.
Use range. In Python 2, it returns a list directly. In Python 3, range is an iterator. To convert it to a list. Note, the second number in range start, stop, is exclusive. So, stop equals 16 plus 1 equals 17. To increment by steps of 0.5, consider using NumPy's arrange and .toList. C. How do I use a decimal step value for range?
You seem to be looking for range. For incrementing by 0.5 instead of 1, say.
Try. That is a list in Python 2.x and behaves mostly like a list in Python 3.x. If you are running Python 3 and need a list that you can modify, then use.
If you are looking for range-like function which works for float type, then here is a very good article. Output.
If you